Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is John Curran, author of Reclaiming Me. Here's a copy of my book. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 foundational pillars to reclaiming your health and your energy. Lasting change doesn't come from focusing on one area in isolation. It comes from strengthening the boundaries or the foundation as a whole. The Reclaim Your Energy approach is built on the foundational pillars that support sustainable health, clarity, and resilience. These pillars work together. When one is neglected, the others are affected. Rather than chasing quick fixes, this framework helps you to understand where your energy is being depleted and how to rebuild in a way that aligns with your real life. The first pillar is called presence. And presence is the moment you stop rushing through your life. It's the moment you start noticing your breath, your pace, your thoughts, and the way your body feels inside instead of ignoring it. Presence slows you down enough or long enough to hear the truth inside of you. Pillar number 2 is about self-respect. Self-respect is remembering that your needs matter. It's how you speak to yourself, how you care for yourself, how you protect your energy, and how you allow yourself the rest that you need. Self-respect becomes the baseline for every decision you make. And then we have pillar number 3, which is alignment. And alignment is choosing what feels right for you, not just what's familiar, not what just necessarily pleases others, and not what fear tells you what you should be doing. You begin to release what drains you and you move towards things that support you. And then we go on to pillar number 4, which is about boundaries. And what boundaries are, they're basically the lines that you draw to protect your well-being. They're not walls. They're doorways to keep you or to keep your life healthy, peaceful, and sustainable. Your boundaries teach people how to treat you. But more importantly, they teach you how to treat yourself. And finally, pillar number 5 is about self-trust. And self-trust is the return to your inner compass. It's believing in your decisions, your intuition, your healing, and your ability to change your life. When you begin to trust yourself again, you reclaim the power that you thought was lost. These 5 pillars are not goals. They're practices. They are reminders of who you are and who you are becoming. And they will guide you through every chapter that follows. And why the pillars matter? Well, you don't have to overhaul everything at once. Reclamation happens one pillar at a time. But this framework gives you clarity, at least, on where to start. It gives you language to understand what's really happening and going on inside of you. It gives you a structure that supports not just short-term change, but of course long-term change, which is what you're after. And this is how energy is reclaimed, not forced. If what I've shared today resonates with you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and leaving a comment below. I do read the comments and I'll respond to you. And if you want to dive deeper into some of these concepts that I just discussed, I've included a link to my book. It's an Amazon link. And of course, you can purchase it and do a deeper dive on these concepts. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way as the journey unfolds. Talk to you soon.